Hello everyone. So we have this very easy geometry question with us today. You can share it with your friends and challenge them as well. So let's see what is given in the question and what we need to find out. We are first of all given a square PQRS. This is a square PQRS and three triangles are shaded in this square, that is A, B and C. And it is given that area of A and B together is equal to area of C. Okay. And using this information, we need to find the value of x. What is x? X is the side of the square. So since it is a square, all the sides will be of equal length. That means PS will also be x, correct? Now if PS is x, what will be TS? TS will be x minus 3 because we already have 3. Similarly, what will be SU? SU will be x minus 5, correct? It will be x minus 5 because the side SR is x, and we are left with x minus 5. Okay, so we need to find the side length of the square. Now let's use this information. First of all, let's find the area of A. As you can see, A is a right triangle. A is a right triangle, correct? Because this angle is of 90 degree since it is an angle of a square, correct? So we will be using half times base times height. Half times base times height. This is the area of any triangle. In this case, I am taking base as PQ and height as PT. Fine. So this will turn out to be half times PQ is x times PT. PT is 3. That means we will have 3x by 2. So area of A is 3x by 2. Similarly, we will be finding area of B. Half times base times height, correct? So in this case, base will be x again, height will be 5. That means area of B will be 5x by 2. Yes, area of B will be 5x by 2. Similarly, we will be finding area of C, which is half times base times height. This is half times x minus 3 times x minus 5. Correct. Now it is given that area of A and B together sums up to area of C. So let's use this. This will give us 3x by 2 plus 5x by 2 is equals to x minus 3 times x minus 5 by 2. Correct. Area of A plus area of B is equals to area of C. Now 2 can be taken as LCM, and here also we are having LCM as 2, so 2 can be removed, correct? Now if we simplify this, we will get 8x is equals to x square minus 8x plus 15, correct? Now if we simplify this further, we will get x square minus 16x plus 15 is equals to 0. Now we will go for middle term splitting. If we go for middle term splitting, we will get x minus 15, x minus 1 is equals to 0. Correct? Now from here we can get two values of x. Okay, I will be erasing this part to solve it further. Let me erase this. So now we have x minus 15 is equals to 0, or we can have x minus 1 equals to 0. From here we will get x equals to 1. From here we will get x equals to 15. Please look at the figure. Do you think this x, the side of the square, can be equals to 1? See, the part of the side of square is already 5. The part of the square is already 3. So definitely the side length has to be greater than 1. It cannot be equals to 1, right? This is not possible. So the correct answer that is available to us is x equals to 15. The side of the square is 15. This will be our final answer. Yes, I hope you have understood it well. If yes, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to share it with your friends. Thank you.